So, pleasant morning to each and everyone. I am Joseph Jerry Munoz. And earlier, my groupmates discussed the components, the behind the goals, and also the types of aerobic dance. And now I'm going to discuss the 6 basic aerobic dance steps and exercises. Later on, after this discussion, we'll be having a short aerobic dance, which elaborate the 6 basic aerobic dance steps that I'm going to discuss this morning. There are the 6 basic dance steps, but the first is called basic step. So first, we start with your feet side by side, about hip distance apart. Next, step about 2 feet forward with your leg or dominant leg. Leg or dominant leg. And next, you step back after this one, two, and then step back 2 feet with your left leg and draw the other foot back to meet it. 3, 4. So the basic steps in Ana siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Work na siya sa stepping na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the benefits of this basic step is the excellence for building a solid foundation in rhythm and coordination. It also helps to improve cardiovascular fitness and muscle endurance in the leg and core. The next step is the back step. First is stand with your feet hip within distance and parallel to one another. This one. For a right leg, then step your right foot slightly forward in front of the left foot, like this one. Then step your left foot out to the side. This, bring your right foot a step back and cross over with your left foot. Repeat multiple times this one. Oh, so pag-execute na niya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And mga step na makuha na siya during sa step na same lagi ang kung siya walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the benefits of the back step is the back step improves coordination and balance while also engaging a leg muscle for strength and toning. The next step is called the V step. Start with your feet parallel with hip distance apart. This one. Next, you step your leg or dominant foot 2 to 3 feet forward to the corresponding corner of the floor. So, like this one. This is next. Step your leg or dominant foot 2 to 3 feet forward to the corresponding corner of the floor. This one. Step your opposite. Step your opposite foot wide to its corner. Then step back to the original position where your leg. Bring the opposite leg back to meet it. Alternate the legs and repeat the steps on the same leg several times before switching. So, pag-execute na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And magamitan na siya ng step sa, for example, pwede siya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the benefit of this step is this step enhances balance, coordination, and leg strength. The next one is the step touch. The first thing to do is stand with your feet side by side and hip distance apart. Step your leg or dominant leg to the side and bring the other foot to meet it. This one. Switch the direction as we alternate touching the ground side to side. 3, 4, and then sometimes you might do 2 or 4 steps to the right and then an equal number to the left or vice versa. So pag-execute na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And magamitan na siya sa stepping na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the benefit of this step is the step touch is an excellent step for improving cardiovascular fitness and coordination. It also helps strengthen the leg muscle and improve balance. So the next is the grapevine. So this step, stand with your feet hip width and width to move the right, step your right foot to the side. Cross your left foot behind the right and step your right foot again to your right and tap the left foot next to it to switch direction. So pag execute niya na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. O pwede na siya ma-execute na sa inaning nga 1, inaning nga step. Katong sa part niya kung sa tuwang 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So inana. So the benefit of this step is the grapevine step is an excellent for improving coordination, balance, and flexibility. The last one is the bamboo. So first, stand with your feet hip distance apart. Leading with your right leg, take a small step forward to your right foot, keeping your left foot where is it? Where it is. So first, this one. Shift your weight onto the right foot and then shift. and then shift your weight onto the right foot and then shift your weight into the left foot as you step to the right foot backward. Then next, shift your weight onto your right foot, then to the left. Immediately, take a step forward with your right to repeat the steps. So, inanin na siya. Kapag-execute na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, inato na siya. Sabtan ba?
Yeah.
So, the benefit of this step is the mambo step is a great way to improve cardiovascular fitness and coordination while also engaging the core and hips. It's a fun, energetic step that can boost your mood and enhance your sense of rhythm. So those are the six basic aerobic dance steps and the exercise. So right now, I'm requesting everyone to please stand for
Closing remarks.
So while magbuhat ani ang activity is mo ni siya nag-focus kini siya nga ato ay sige karon kay basically nag-focus siya sa kang discuss na ko nga 6 basic steps on aerobic dance. So sunod lang mo 1 3
Mambo din ako. Mambo Juliet.
Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back step.
Got to dress up.
Next one is the big step. 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, step. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Gusto mo mapil?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope the rest of this